Hey everyone, Dr. Taylor Levine from Unruh Spine Center here at Slick Art Studios, where today I'm going to be going over a bunch of different types of stretches that can help you out. Whether you're at home, at the gym, or on the go, or even at the office, come follow me with some of these stretches, so let's get started. Okay, the next stretch that we're going to do, for some of you that do yoga, it's called Cobra Pose. One little caveat that I want to let you guys know is that if you are having a hard time extending backwards because you're in pain, we're going to start with some modifications for it first so that you can kind of work your way up to it. So what you'll do is you'll actually flip on over and you're going to get up onto your stomach, onto the mat. And from this point here, you'll have your arms close to you, elbows in. And to start off, if you are having some issues with your low back, this may be all that you can do for right now, and that's okay. And then we can start working and building up. So easing, just pushing up through here, and then a little bit more, and then a little bit more, and then all the way. Pushing that pelvis into that ground and feeling that stretch, more so up in that front abdomen area. But what this also is doing is kind of helping push all that disc material that are in between our vertebrae away from the nerves, and that's why we're trying to do this pose to help with facilitating that. So again, you're going to hold this pose from anywhere for your comfort level of 10 to 20 seconds, and then relax. And then give yourself about 5 to 10 seconds of rest, and you can come right back up to it, to whatever your comfort level is. Making sure that you're not overstraining, your shoulders are relaxed. You don't want to be up here like this because that's going to jam your neck up. You're really going to want to push through the floor and pushing that pelvis into the floor as well. And so if you are feeling a little tension in the shoulders and the neck, try to make sure you just relax those shoulders and settle back in, because you shouldn't be feeling any stress or strain through there. You can come back down and then do that one more time, holding again for 10 to 20 seconds. If you can do 30, that's great. So as you can see, I can get up pretty high in this stretch. Some of you, that may not be the case. I've been in sports and I've been working on my flexibility for years. And if you are more so in a position where you can only get up onto your elbows like this, then that's fine. And even if this is hard for you, trying to get like a pillow and putting it on the ground and resting your arms on the pillow and lifting up from there. And that could be also another modification to this stretch. Whether you're just doing it at home or easy enough, I challenge you to bring a yoga mat to your office and start doing them there. Do it once every 30 minutes to an hour to really just help make sure that your flexibility is staying where it should, and it will help prevent you from having low back issues in the future. Again, my name is Dr. Taylor Levine. If you have any questions about any of these stretches that we went over today, please feel free to come chat with me at the office, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.